Guys, welcome to another episode of Just Me and My Stove. This video is a follow-on to my original video cooking chickpea curry on a camping stove made some time ago. I've added the link below. So in this video I'll run through the process and the procedure involved in making chickpea curry in the home environment. Items required: 1 onion, several cloves of garlic, ginger roughly the size of your thumb, 2 small chilies, half a can of peeled plum tomatoes, 2 small potatoes, 2 tins of chickpeas. Wash the onions, chop the onions, vegetable oil, pour some vegetable oil into your cooking pot, turn the gas on, let the oil heat up before adding the onions. Add the onions in, keep stirring until the onions go soft. Peel the garlic, peel the ginger, trim the chilies, transfer the ingredients to the whizzer. The ginger, the garlic and the chilies. Chop up all the ingredients. Finely chopped. Add half a tin of tomatoes, peeled tomatoes. Whiz up all the ingredients again. Add the mixture to the softened tomatoes. Give it all a good mix. Next you will need the following ingredients: salt, garam masala, fennel seeds and paprika. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, one teaspoon of paprika, and a quarter of a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Give it all a good stir. The 2 small potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Chop the potatoes, small pieces. Add the potatoes to the main pot. Open the 2 tins of chickpeas and add to the pot. Give everything a good mix up. Add the lid. Turn the heat up slightly. Heating up nicely. Every few minutes giving it a good stir to avoid sticking to the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring to avoid sticking to the bottom. You'll know it's ready once push the potato to the side and it falls apart easily. That's almost ready.